So to begin with, let's talk about some resources and data that can be used in microgrid planning and mapping. The first resource I want to talk about is the Department of Homeland Security's Homeland Infrastructure Foundation Level Data, or HIFLD. This portal can be found by Googling this name or typing in this URL, and it has a number of great resources and data that cover all sorts of security threats. Some of the more critical data that is used for microgrid planning are things like communications, emergency services, law enforcement, but some of the other stuff could be useful as well. If you click on some of the links, you can see what specific data is available for each category. In this category, you can see there's fire stations, and these are all the points for fire stations throughout the country, hurricane evacuation routes, emergency medical services stations. The next resource I want to talk about is NJGIN, which stands for New Jersey Geographic Information Network. And if you go to the home page and click Data Downloads, you can get to this page, which has a number of data that is available for download. Some of the key data files that are useful for microgrid planning include New Jersey colleges and universities, correctional institutions, EMS stations, fire stations, nursing homes, hospitals, evacuation routes, and law enforcement. Another thing that NJGIN has is parcel data, which is here on the bottom, and the Mod 4 data. We'll show the Mod 4 data later, but this Mod 4 data has ownership information and sometimes has the property building size, so that can be pretty useful in microgrid planning. Finally, we have ArcGIS Online, which a lot of the data that is in the Homeland Security portal and NJGIN is also hosted on ArcGIS Online. And this allows you to search for all the stuff that's out there. There's some data that is nationally available, like grocery stores, that can be found on ArcGIS Online, and you can access it by logging into ArcGIS Online with a free account and searching for the different layers. If you are in map view, you can search for layers by going to Add and search for layers, and you can see, as you can see here, I search for grocery stores, and we can get all the grocery stores in the country. I will be showing more about these resources and data in the next tutorial, where we will talk about the mapping tool that we've created for this project.